I didn't fix my life with motivation. I tried. It worked for 2 days, then everything collapsed again. The truth is, motivation feels good, but it doesn't stay. What actually rebuilt my life were habits I hated. They were boring. Embarrassingly boring. No hype. No dopamine. No wake up at 5 a.m. and win life. But slowly, my days became quieter. My mind stopped racing. My life stopped falling apart. Nobody noticed. Not even me, at first. And that's the scary part. Because these habits don't feel powerful. They feel useless. Until one day, you realize, your old life is gone. In this video, I'll show you 17 boring habits that quietly rebuilt my life, and why they might work, even if motivation never does. 1. Fixed sleep and wake time, not perfect sleep. Most people try to sleep better. I just slept at the same time. Same bedtime. Same wake up. Even on bad days. This did one important thing. It stopped my days from starting in chaos. When sleep timing is fixed, your brain stops negotiating every night. Mornings require less willpower. Energy becomes predictable. 2. Starting the day without input. No phone. No messages. No news. Just 10 to 20 minutes of nothing. This habit reduces anxiety before it starts, keeps other people's problems out of your head, gives you ownership of the day. Life improves when your day begins by choice, not notification. 3. Cleaning one small area every day. I didn't clean my life. I cleaned one small space. Desk, bed, bag. Mess creates invisible stress. A clean space sends a quiet signal. Things are under control. This habit builds momentum, trains closure, creates calm without effort. For eating the same simple meals repeatedly. I stopped trying to eat exciting food. I ate predictable food. Same breakfast. Same lunch options. Why it works. Fewer decisions equals more mental energy. Less guilt, less overthinking. Body stays regulated. A calm body supports a calm mind. 5. Ending the day with a hard stop. Every day ended with same shutdown time. Same simple routine. Same day is over signal. This told my brain, you're allowed to rest now. Without closure. Your mind keeps running. Stress carries into tomorrow. Sleep quality drops. This habit quietly fixed my anxiety. 6. Sitting in silence every day. No music. No phone. No thinking on purpose. Just 5 to 10 minutes of silence. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Your thoughts get louder. That's not a problem. That's your mind finally being heard. This habit releases mental pressure, reduces impulsive reactions, trains emotional awareness. 7. Writing to clear, not to be deep. I didn't journal beautifully. I dumped thoughts. Messy sentences, complaints, fears. This works because thoughts lose power when externalized. Confusion becomes visible. Anxiety becomes manageable. You don't fix thoughts by thinking more. You fix them by getting them out. 8. Limiting negative inputs, not just social media. I reduced complaining conversations, doom news, constant opinions. Not permanently, just less often. This habit stabilizes emotions, reduces unnecessary anger, improves focus without effort. Your brain copies the tone of what it hears daily. 9. Pausing before reacting, before replying, before arguing, before deciding. Just a pause. This creates fewer regrets, better responses, emotional control. Most life damage happens in unpaused moments. 10. Accepting bad days without fighting them. Some days are low. No fixing. No forcing productivity. I let the day be bad without turning it into a bad life. This habit prevents burnout, builds resilience, reduces self-hate. Not every day needs improvement. Some days just need permission. 11. Doing the minimum on bad days. On low days, I didn't quit. I just did the minimum. 5 minutes. 1 page. 1 small task. This works because momentum is protected. Identity stays intact. Guilt doesn't pile up. Progress doesn't die from slowness. It dies from stopping completely. 12. Showing up even when it felt pointless. Many days felt useless. No excitement. No visible progress. But I showed up anyway. This habit trains reliability, self-trust, long-term discipline. Your future isn't built on good days. It's built on ordinary ones. 13. Repeating boring work daily. Same task. Same effort. Again and again. This removed Overthinking. Perfectionism. Waiting for motivation. Boring work compounds quietly. That's why it works. 14. Measuring progress weekly, not daily. I stopped asking, was today successful? Instead, am I better than last week? This habit reduces emotional swings, makes progress visible, keeps patience intact. Growth is invisible in one day, clear in 7. 15. Learning slowly without pressure. No rush, no comparison, no timelines, just steady learning. One idea, one concept, one improvement. This builds confidence, real understanding, long-term growth. Fast learning feels impressive. Slow learning actually changes you. 16. Keeping small promises to myself. Earlier, I used to promise myself big things. I'll change my life. I'll stay consistent. I'll never mess up again. And then, I broke those promises. So I did the opposite. I made small promises. Wake up when the alarm rings. Work for just 10 minutes. Stop scrolling at a fixed time. And I kept them. Every time I did what I said I would, something subtle happened. I started trusting myself again. This habit repairs self-respect, reduces self-doubt, builds quiet confidence. You don't need motivation to believe in yourself. You need a track record. 17. Doing important work without telling anyone. I stopped announcing goals, stopped explaining plans, stopped waiting for approval. I just worked, quietly. This habit taught me discipline without applause, progress without validation, satisfaction without comparison. When no one knows what you're building, you stop performing and start becoming. This is where identity shifts from trying to improve to this is just who I am now. That's when I noticed something important. My life didn't change suddenly. There was no big breakthrough, no dramatic transformation. Instead, my days felt calmer. My reactions became slower. My mind stopped panicking. I didn't feel successful. I felt stable. And for the first time, that felt better than motivation. Boring habits don't excite you. They don't give instant rewards, but they quietly remove the chaos that keeps destroying progress. When chaos is gone, focus becomes easier. Discipline becomes natural. Growth becomes inevitable. You don't rebuild life with intensity. You rebuild it with repetition. Small actions, done daily, without drama. That's how my life changed, quietly.